Don't always say I'm tired. Use 10 powerful words to express different level of tiredness. Tired માટે કોન્ટેક્સ્ટ પ્રમાણે પરફેક્ટ વર્ડ યુઝ કરો. લેટ્સ સી. ફર્સ્ટ વન, એક્ઝોસ્ટેડ, ખૂબ જ થાકેલું. એક્ઝામ્પલ, આમ એબ્સોલ્યુટલી એક્ઝોસ્ટેડ. નેક્સ્ટ વન, ડ્રેન્ડ, I feel completely drained. Next one, fatigued, અત્યંત થાક અનુભવવો. Example, I have been feeling fatigued lately. Next one, worn out, that means ખૂબ જ થાકેલું. Example, I'm worn out after the work. Next one, weary, that means લાંબા સમયના પ્રયત્નોથી થાકી ગયેલું. Example, she felt weary after the long journey. Next one, spent, that means completely energy khatam. Example, I'm completely spent. Next one, depleted, that means energy resources ખૂબ ઓછા થઈ ગયેલા હોય એવું. Example, my energy is depleted. Next one, sleep deprived, ઊંઘના અભાવે થાકેલું. Example, I'm sleep deprived today. Now last second, lethargic, that means energy વગરનું, energy less. Example, I felt lethargic all morning. Now last one, born tired, that means અત્યંત થાકેલું. Example, after the journey, I was born tired. So friends, don't just say I'm tired. Tell people how tired you are. એક વર્ડ ચેન્જ કરો and English expressive બનાવો. See you in the next reel.